back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you another Thelma Does Makeup, and I am using products from Shein.com. They're called Sheglam. There you go. And I'm going to be putting the foundation sample Peach on. And the reason I did the samples was because I didn't know what shade to get in the Sheglam foundation, and I figured I picked out 3 different ones that I figured was in my tone, and one of them hopefully will be it. Okay, first I want to put some contour on. Now they didn't have that, so I'm using the Broadway, which I've always been using, just to contour along my jawline and around my eyes. And if you're wondering, I had a ceiling fan fall on me and it hit me in my shoulder, so that's why I'm in this I forget what it's called. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going along my jawline. And I go up to my hair. But yeah, last Friday, I was out on my porch and the ceiling fan, without any warning, the blades were rotating from the wind blowing, but all of a sudden it just crashed and it fell on me. And when I fell, my head hit the patio table. So, but I don't know the extent. They did x-rays at the ER, but I have to go to my doctor and see about an MRI and a CT scan. So, fun days ahead for me. But I just go around. I have crow's feet right through here. And I make sure I do my nose. I do the whole thing. And I'm using the powder right now. I misplaced my cream contour. Now I go in and hang on. I dab with the corner of this right here and just go in along through here where the dark circles are. And I also do along the hairline right through here. I can't put my hair back because it takes 2 hands and nobody's here right now to give me a hand. But I mean, all things considering, I've had a headache ever since I hit my head, and of course my shoulder hurts, but it showed on the x-rays nothing was broken, but something's wrong because I don't have full uses of my arm. It could be just from swelling from my shoulder where the blade hit me. Now I also take a lighter shade. If you see here the different shades, I use this one is what I just used. Now the one next to it I'm going to use to go above my eyebrows. Okay, now what I do, I get a brush and just brush it Now this necklace and earrings at the set, I bought that from Shein.com too, and I think for both things, the earrings and the necklace, I think it was $1.50. They have some real good stuff. I'm just blending this in. Okay, now I have peach, the sample. I'm going to try it out. I've never used the color peach before. Just put that right there. Might take me a minute. I have to maneuver with my hand. They don't give you a lot, so I'm going to have to really make this count. Oh yeah, they do. There's a lot on the other side. I just been squeezing up on the one side and it got all pushed over to the other side. I'm just going to go ahead and use it all. Okay. Now make sure this is damp. Hair out of my... And I just blend it in. Again, I don't know what color this is, so... Go all the way up to the hairline. I'll put mine on my eyes too, especially around the corners where I have the purple under my eyes. This is a pretty shade. I don't know if it's my shade. Let me know in the comments what you think of this shade. I should have got a dip. Probably. I think the other two, I bought 3 samples. Well, they're not samples. They're 50 cents each a pack, but if you buy 3, you get 3 for $1. Okay, next for the concealer. My mind went blank for a second. Sorry, it's hard to concentrate right now. And this is this. put my concealer all the way around too. On my eyes on my eyelids. Go down sides of your nose with it. Make sure you get the corner of your eyes right in here. Now I'm going to put some in the T-zone. I really like that shade. Just a little bit. I want it to come out. Whoa. Just a little. I want to get it on my finger and put it along my nose because it comes out a lot. Just rub it in and make it go because I have the wrinkles right through here. Okay. Excuse me. Now, I didn't get any pressed powder. They were out of it. So, I'm going to go on in with the setting powder. Just got to take that protective tape off. I'm going to put my blush on. Not this color. I will put the colors down in the color of the shade and colors of everything that I'm using. I'll put down in the description box for you. Okay. This is a pretty color. I think it's rose. Now, before I put my foundation on, I'd already put my face cream on and primer on. So, make sure you do that. I really like these shades. Okay. Now I'm going to put, before I put the setting powder on, I'm going to put my eyeshadow on, and this is the beach. Let me put my glasses on so I can read this for a second. Beach Sunset. These are the colors. Just have to peel off that protective plastic there. Now, I'm going in with this shade right down here. I'm just going in little circular motions. Now I'm going to do the same to the other side. Like, I have to do both at the same time or I mess up. Okay, next I'm going in with the top middle shade. And I'm just putting that right through here. And on top, I'm only doing 2 shades right now. Blend it in the center. Now I'm going to take some of that first color and put a little under my eye. Okay. Now I'm going in with the eyeliner. see if I can find the front for y'all. Here it is. And it's the fine point, which is, whoa, just do a thin line, not getting it in your eye like I did. Just a thin line. You can do some under the eye if you want, but I'm not going to today. Now, I believe this is my eyebrow one. Yes. I'm going to put a little, brush them out first. This is the, there it is. It's real fine point. Sorry about the lighting of this, but I recently got a new ring light, and I'm playing around with the colors. Let me know if it's messing with your eyes, the quality of the video, or if it could be better, and I'll adjust it in the next video, or I won't use it. Okay. Now for the mascara. Now this mascara is this, and it opens. I'm going to go ahead and show you. It opens on both sides. See the difference in the brushes? I'm going to go ahead and close one of them up. And I'm going to use this one. Now this is the first time I've used any of this Sheglam makeup. Let me know in the comments what you think of the quality of it. I kind of like it. I'll definitely go back on their site and buy some more. I didn't think of looking for lashes, eyelashes. Next time I get on and order, If they have any, I'll order some, because I'm wanting to start playing around with eyelashes again. It's been a while since I wore them. There. I like that. Now for the lipstick and lip liner. This is the shade I picked out, and this is this is the container. I like that shade. I tried to get warm tones and change up some of my makeup. That way I'm not getting basically the same shades and tones. Let me use this mirror here. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let me tap this upside down. I'm going to use this brush right here. And I'm just going in and setting everything. You can use, I have spray. Wow, did you see that go up there? Spray setting, just like spray primer. You can use that. You can use basically any kind you want. Wow, that's a lot of powder going in the air. I don't know about that. Never had that happen before. Wearing it, really, literally wearing it. Alright, well, this is the final look. I think it looks nice. I like the makeup. Be sure to check out all the other products they have in their makeup line. And I mean, they have clothes, shoes, home things that you can use for your home, all kinds of things. And I want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my video. And if you liked it, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell next to it. That way you won't miss any future videos, uploads that I do, and I do hauls and DIYs too. And I hope y'all have a safe and happy day. Until next time, bye.